In this video, we'll go over how to create a new product description for a new product. We're going to start by entering the product name, Soothing Bath Bomb. If there is nothing found in this list, it means that it will be a new product. Next is where we can include additional information that we would like to have included in the description. I'm going to put in all organic, BPA free, baby proof, and also I think that it is important to let people know to remove the plastic wrapping before they put it in water. Next is the number of words. Really up to you how long you want it to be. The longer it is, the more tokens it uses. Next, we will select a writing style. There are several writing styles to choose from that we've created here, and an option to put your own custom one. I am going to choose humorous. Now we can select the target audience. Keep in mind that target audiences will affect the description more when it's longer. You can select one from our existing list or also create your own custom, and you can actually select several ones. So for example, we're going to target Generation Z. And finally, select the ChatGPT version to use. 3.5 is more basic. 4.0 is more advanced, also uses more tokens. And for this example, we'll choose the basic and click on Generate Description. We can see our description here, including how many tokens were used to generate it. I'm tired of my bath. Are you feeling blah? Say goodbye. Soothing bath, all organic ingredients. The first thing that we said, it is BPA free and baby proof included as well. Remember, remove the plastic wrapping before you plop it in the water. Trust us, it makes a splash. It is a little bit humorous. And if we'll click on create new product, a new draft product will be generated with this description, which we can also edit and make modification to. We can say something like try free for 30 days. Just an example. And let's try a custom writing style. So I selected custom, and the writing style, I'm going to put Shakespeare. And click on generate description again. It was created, 217 tokens. Hark, behold a soothing bath bomb. As you can see, it is using Shakespeare-esque language. And if I click on create new product, it will be created in my shop. And if I go to my catalog and store products, I'll be able to see the product that I created. And it is hidden by default. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us and we will be happy to help. Thank you for watching.